Yo guys, what's going on? It's Sam here, and welcome to Will You Press the Button? I could have had a collab, but I messed up. I clicked the wrong one. I clicked the wrong option to record my screen. That's fine, and this is... Oh, jeez, that's a screechy noise, fam. Jeez, alright, didn't know that then. So yeah. Rules are... This was your dramatic music. I don't know if I'll add to dramatic music. But, it's kind of like Would You Rather, but... you will, have one choice of having a... Why does my phone go off every time I record, fam? Like, really, why? You have a choice where you have a good thing. You can drive any car you want. But you can't bring a girl into it, which is the bad thing. So I will say no. I won't press the button because you need to have diversity of who you bring into your car. It can't just be all boys. You know, what if you want to take your mum for a drive? You know, take your girlfriend on a date. Guys, don't guys, don't make this weird, alright? I'm just giving you like examples, alright? So I can't. How many people press this? 58% press the button. Okay, those 58% of people clearly don't like girls. Like, what have the girls done to them? Nothing? Because what have they done to them? They've done nothing. Absolutely nothing. Zero. Alright. Will you press... Oh, okay, just copy them. Will you press the button? Have amazing superpowers. Can't use them in front of people. Guys, my phone keeps going off. What the frick is happening? It's like whenever I go to the next question. Oh man, I wouldn't be surprised if I go to the next question. My phone goes off again. If I cut that out, it's gonna be weird. Okay, have amazing superpowers, but can't use them in front of people. So you won't be able to be a superhero. Oh, I'm not too sure, mate. I don't know. Oh, this is really tough. Amazing superpowers. So I can't. Because what's the point of having superpowers and not use them? You'll still be a normal human anyways. I won't. I'm not gonna. There'd be no point. I'm not trying to... These are people... Say if you do find a fireball, you can't fire a fireball in front of your parents. You'll just be a normal human. You keep your superpowers to yourself. So like, no one in the world could say. You can't save anyone. The only way you'll be able to save anyone is just by running like normal. That's just my personal belief. That's probably not what the question is trying to say. I'd head into the bathroom and make a dome that makes me invisible. Then stop time to make everyone into a Time Lord. Create 1 million TARDISes. What? 1 million TARDISes. What are you gonna do with 1 million TARDISes? Oh my god. So I have superpowers. Some of the time versus superpowers none of the time. Pretty much what he just said. Maximus Decimus Murderus. Oh jeez. Okay. I don't understand the logic that going to these people said. I'm glad that there's 20% of people agreed with me. Alright? Will you press the button? So, you acquire the nicest house imaginable, but it's on Mars. But then how... Oh jeez, well, it's already been shown. You acquire the nicest house imaginable, but it's on Mars. Anyways, acquire the nicest house imaginable, but it's on Mars. I'm gonna say no. I think a load of people are gonna say yes. I have not pressed the button yet. What are people saying? Yeah, exactly. You're on Mars! There's gonna be no water! No water, guys! What's the comment section saying? Where's the downside? I freaking love Mars, and it's the nicest house imaginable. It'll have an airlock and an oxygen system, and warp tripods to Earth and back. I can imagine an insane house. It has portals capable of opening anywhere in the universe, and they track me everywhere I go. They will rescue me if I'm ever in danger or want to return to the house. The house is also infinite inside its own dimension. Man, people are looking to play this house. It only allows my friends to enter. Well, shit, you guys get it. Damn. Okay, I kind of get them. Because the reason why I didn't press the button was that there might be a restriction where it's just you are only allowed in the house, but it seems that you can't bring your friends into it. I mean, it's your house. Actually, yeah, that was kind of stupid of me. I should have pressed the button, guys. That's a so stupid. When you press the button, all items download for free and instantly. But your computer permanently shuts off for about a month after you download something. What? No, I will not. Exactly. Everything you want to get, everything you want to download on your PC or whatever, it's free, but your computer will permanently shut down for a month after you download something. That's a month, guys. Not a day, not a week, a month. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I don't even know what the comment section is going to say to this. Okay, let's just move on. Oh jeez. Will you press the button? You become any animal you want. You must get a kiss or a woman to return you to the original. Oh, yeah, turn it. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I don't even need to explain that one. We can just go straight to the next one. Okay. It's I'm not going to explain that one. You guys can share in the comments what you think about that one. You gain the ability to pause and unpause time at will. Each time you pause, there's a 1% chance that time will never unpause again. This is tricky. Never unpause. There's only 1% though. I'm pushing the button. Yeah, that's actually quite close. It's very small chance that the time will not impose. So yeah, I think you should be able to. You should press the button for it. I'm not good at explaining things, so I'm just gonna look what the comments said. 1% is way too high. Okay, assuming that you did it every year until you're 60 on average, that's a 60% chance you will freeze time. Not a good chance. Not a good choice. Yeah, people. There's some good arguments in this comment section, man. It's pretty good. Damn. All right, we're gonna do one more because I need time to edit this video, obviously. Will you press the button? Firefly will come back on the air for 20 seasons. Firefly, is that Firefly from Batman? You know, one of Batman's villains, Firefly? Your current favorite show will be cancelled, killing off all your favorite characters. I don't know what Firefly is. Let's Google that. Firefly TV series. There's a picture. Is it Firefly from? I think it's from Batman. I'm not too sure now. Wait, what was the rating for Firefly? Let's actually check. It's 9 out of 10. Yo, that's actually really good. I've never seen a movie that's been rated 9 out of 10. That's amazing. It looks interesting, so I wouldn't mind. But then your favorite? I don't watch TV shows anyways. I watch movies, so sure, I'll press the button. Whoa, people really really don't want their favorite TV show to be cancelled. So is Firefly bad? It got a 9 out of 10 on IMDb. What if it is on Netflix and it is Doctor Who? Doctor Who was taken off Netflix. What's Firefly? It's a show. It was cancelled after the first season. Oh. That's a bit mad, you know. Why was it cancelled? I'll figure out. Well, I'll figure out. I'll search it up in my own time. Anyways, that's gonna be this video for this. I always mumble. That's it for today's video, guys. I don't know. Should I give a preview? No, I don't give previews, mate. That's not how it works. But I do have a video coming out next week, not tomorrow, because I got so tired. Anyways, that's a bit for me. That's how you do it, out. Sure. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below